Hi, Jack. How's your day going so far?
Hi, Anna. It's going pretty good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm. I like this kind of weather.
Me too. It's perfect for walking outside or having a coffee in the park.
That's true. Do you usually go for a walk after work?
Sometimes I do. Walking helps me relax after a busy day. What about you?
I often go jogging in the evening. It helps me clear my mind.
Oh, that's great. How long do you jog for?
Usually about 30 minutes. Not too long.
That sounds healthy. You must feel good after that.
Yeah, I feel refreshed and calm. Exercise really helps.
By the way, do you like listening to music while you jog?
Yes, I always do. It keeps me motivated.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like pop and sometimes soft rock. What about you?
I enjoy jazz and lo-fi music. It helps me stay calm when I work.
Oh, nice. Do you listen to music when you're teaching?
Not during class, but when I prepare lessons, yes, it keeps me focused.
That's interesting. I listen to music when I study too.
Where do you usually study, Jack? At home or in a cafe?
I usually study at home, but sometimes I go to a coffee shop near my house.
I see. I like studying in cafes too. The background noise is kind of relaxing.
Yes, it feels nice to hear people talking softly. It makes me feel not alone.
Exactly. Small talk like this makes life more friendly, don't you think?
I agree. It's nice to talk about simple things.
Do you often make small talk with people you don't know?
Sometimes, yes. For example, when I'm waiting in line or taking the bus.
That's good. Small talk helps you connect with people.
Yeah, but sometimes I feel shy. I don't know what to say.
That's normal. You can start with something simple, like the weather or a compliment.
Like, it's a nice day or I like your bag.
Exactly. Those are perfect small talk starters.
What are some other topics for small talk?
You can talk about the weekend, food, movies, or hobbies.
Oh, okay. I love talking about food. Everyone likes food.
True. What's your favorite dish?
I really like pizza. It's simple but delicious.
Me too. Do you like cooking it yourself?
Sometimes I try, but I'm not very good at it.
Practice makes perfect. Maybe you'll be a great cook one day.
I hope so. Do you like cooking, Anna?
Yes, I do. I often cook pasta and salad.
Sounds tasty. Do you cook every day?
Not every day, but maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
That's nice. Cooking at home is healthier too.
Yes, and it saves money. Eating out can be expensive.
True. I should start cooking more often.
By the way, what do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I usually meet my friends or watch movies.
That sounds fun. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies. How about you?
I prefer romantic comedies. They make me laugh and relax.
Oh, I like those too. Do you have a favorite one?
Notting Hill. It's a classic. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. Julia Roberts is amazing in that movie.
She really is.
What do you think is the best way to improve small talk?
I think the best way is to practice often. Try talking to people every day, even for a minute.
That makes sense. Practice helps you feel more natural.
Exactly. And don't worry too much about mistakes. People appreciate friendly conversation.
Thanks, Anna. That's really helpful advice.
You're welcome, Jack. You're improving so much already.
Thank you. I'll keep practicing my small talk.
Great. Let's talk again tomorrow.
Sure. See you tomorrow, Anna.
See you, Jack.